The surface patch feature is used to fill gaps in surface bodies in ANSYS Design Modeler. Typically, these will be holes in the body that can be closed by selecting the edge of that hole. However, in some cases, the hole may be too complex to fill in a single operation, or may be a gap in the side of the model that doesn't form a closed loop of edges. In those cases, edges from other bodies may be selected that help to close the gap. In these cases, actually, it is important to select an edge from the surface body to be patched before selecting an edge from any other surface body to use for this patch. Essentially, the feature looks for closed loops with which to patch surface bodies. For each loop, the first edge selected from a surface body determines which surface body is modified. This logic allows for the selection of multiple patch operations in a single feature, even if some of those patches are on different surface bodies. Also, while line body edges are useful for closing gaps, don't select line body edges that are coincident with existing edges of the surface being patched. Doing so will cause the feature to fail. The patch method option is very similar to the healing methods for face delete. The automatic option will try a robust combination of patch healing and natural healing to best complete the operation. Kindly like and subscribe to MR CFD channel and tap the bell to get new video updates. To benefit from MR CFD services including simulation, consultation, and training, visit our website www.mrcfd.com and contact us via info@mrcfd.com.